What's up, y'all? It's your girl undecided, and we are back with another video. And today, this is actually a different video. I ain't never did this before, y'all. I ain't never did this before, but we gonna see how this work out. I don't really got nothing to talk about, so this is like gonna be a little chit chat or whatever. Whatever comes to mind, or I could tell y'all about my day. I don't know, but I'm just gonna eat and do this. So right now, I'm hungry, so I got a few different things. So I had, hold on. I had this earlier. It is a shrimp and chicken taco, and that thing back there is an avocado slice. It looks like that because, as y'all know, when guacamole or avocados sit out, it turns brown or whatever. But it's not, that one isn't really brown, so it's good enough. And then I have some jalapeno Tostitos chips. And y'all, I'm ghetto, I know. I am eating out of the pot. Y'all can't see, but this is actually buffalo chicken dip that I made when I got back. And I got my hot sauce, my Texas Pete, you know. This is the only hot sauce y'all should have in your house. Anything else, throw it out. Throw it out. So, yeah. So, as y'all know, or if you follow me on social media, you know that today was my little princess birthday and she turned 2. She is an Aries, and yes, it's Aries season, baby. Mommy! Yes, yes, baby. No chip. She's supposed to be in the bed. Her bedtime is at 9:30. It's 10 o'clock. Isla, go lay down. Go back to bed. She already ate and everything, so yes. Go lay down. She's talking about, I see you, mommy. But like I was saying, as you know, today was my princess birthday, and today I just went and me and her dad took the kids at her school cupcakes and juice. And then after she got out of school, we went to Galaxy Fun Park. And for y'all that don't know what Galaxy Fun Park is, it's a indoor arcade. Excuse me, it's an indoor arcade, and it has a trampoline park, like Sky Zone. And then it has like this little playhouse thing that like the kids can crawl in, and there's different levels. It's like 6 levels. And then they have this thing in the air where it's like you are like zip lining and stuff like that. They had that, they had go-karts, they had bumper cars, they had miniature golf, they had laser tag, so all that kind of stuff. And I think she had fun. I'm surprised she's not asleep. She wore herself out. Like, we was at the park for like a good hour and a half, 2 hours. And she up being busy. For her birthday, she got clothes and a necklace with her name on it. Y'all, I wish y'all could see her. This girl. Lisa, go lay down, please. Aiden, come get her. So that's what we did for her today. I'm still trying to think about what I want to do this weekend because, hold on, this weekend, y'all, my lashes look the fuck terrible. Like, I hate my lashes right now, but they're old, and this is what old lashes start to look like. So I'm not surprised. Oh. Dang, I can't remember what I was saying, but damn, I just got sidetracked because I was thinking about something. Something pissed me off before I started making this damn video. And I came on this video not thinking about it. And then it just, like, ran past my mind, so. This setup is low-key terrible. But, y'all, I'm not home. I'm actually at my mother's house. And if I was home, I would have did this in the kitchen still, or my dining room, because as y'all know, my backdrop is polka dot. And it's inside my room, so there's nowhere to sit, and yeah. Hopefully all the stuff I've been going through, I'll heal from it. Cause y'all, the other day I was talking to y'all and I was just like venting, but I ain't posted cause I was like, I look crazy. For real, for real. I was like, I look crazy. So I didn't even do it, but I'll be wanting to vent, y'all. Then where is your scarf?